What's up, guys? You're back with Tri-State Nissan. My name's Mary. Today we're going to be introducing you to the newest generation of service technicians here at Tri-State Nissan.
Hey guys, welcome to Tri-State Nissan. My name is Wilson. Today we have Corey. Corey here is a service technician. We just wanted to do a quick little interview, get a little inside action here on, our employees. So I have a couple questions for you, if you don't mind me asking. So to begin with, what got you interested in being a service technician, and how did you hear about our dealership?
Okay. I got interested in being a service tech just from me being a parts changer over time, and I just changed parts with my own car, and I decided that, hey, maybe I should go to school for this thing and really take my career far. So that's what I did, and I took my career far, and I actually went to James Rumsey, and my teacher there at James Rumsey made a connection with Ed here, the manager here, and from there the relationship took off. We're here now, and I love it here.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate having someone who's very educated and knowledgeable on the subject, especially since you're working on the cars we sell. So from a sales side, we appreciate you.
Thank you.
And I guess the last question I have for you is, when it comes to Tri-State Nissan, our dealership, what do you think stands out the most to you in whatever fashion you want to answer that?
To me, I think the customer service stands out the most. And I'm not just saying that because I work here. I actually had to deal with customer service here on my own. I had to get a rental here, and I had to get work done on my car here, and the customer service is outstanding. Service techs and the service advisors here are very helpful.
Right. Well, we appreciate the good work you do. We're always here we want to make sure our customers come in smiling and leave smiling. So, that's our motto. But thank you, Corey. We appreciate it. It was really nice meeting you. We know each other IRL, so don't worry about that. For all you boomers, IRL means in real life, FYI.
Yep.
On to the next. Alrighty, guys, we have another service technician here. So how long have you worked here, sir, and what's your name?
My name is Caden, and I've worked here for about 3 months.
Well, awesome. Happy to have you here, Caden. So I just have one or two questions for you real quick. Do you mind? Okay, awesome. So my first question, because, I'm on the sales side, I want to know what service life is like. Like, what is from the point you clock in to the point you clock out, what does a day in the life of a service technician here look like?
Usually I get here about 15 minutes early, get in here, clock in, get my box all set up and everything. Then it's more of just, I get handed work from brakes to tires to diagging stuff. Just kind of all around a bunch of interesting stuff to do.
Good, so you get to keep yourself busy then?
Yeah.
Nothing's worse than being bored, am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I get that completely. My next question for you, I guess this will be the last one for you. When it comes to our dealership, and if people are interested in applying for service sales, whichever position it might be, what is something you'd say to them?
Honestly, I'd tell them go for it, mainly for the fact that it's actually pretty interesting and not a just straight line doing one thing kind of job.
Keeps you on your toes, different things to do every day, so you don't get, it's not a routine type thing, right?
Yep, it's another diag, another day.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate you answering the questions. This has been Caden, guys. Thank you, and on to the next.
What's up, guys? You're back with Tri-State Nissan. My name's Mary. Today I'm here with
Armando.
Yeah. Just a few questions for you. How did you discover the opportunity to work here at Tri-State Nissan?
Discovered it by my trade teacher at Triple Tech. He then talked to me about a summer job, and then talked to Ed, and then I'm started working here over the summer.
Gotcha. You like it so far?
I've been loving it.
Good.
Pretty good.
Fun little question. If you could switch jobs with anybody in the dealership for a week, who would you pick?
Probably Michael back in parts, just to see how it is back there, giving the parts to our wonderful technicians.
Gotcha. Alrighty. Well, Armando, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Congratulations on joining the team here at Tri-State Nissan, and look forward to working with you.
Yeah, you too.
We are back with the young buck, Jameson. He is the youngest one here at the dealership, correct?
Yes.
Jameson, what part of work do you look forward to every single day?
I enjoy being able to come in and work on cars every day.
Work on cars. So you enjoy working on cars?
Yes.
Awesome. If you had to pick one band or artist to get you ready for the workday, who would it be?
I would pick Tristate.
Tristate. Gotcha. Alrighty. Well, Jameson, we look forward to working with you. Pleasure meeting you, and good luck.
Thank you.
And now we're back with Derek. Derek, how has working here changed your career goals?
So I originally started working here as just a summer job in detail cleaning vehicles. But over time, I got my express position and started becoming interested in automotive. So from there, I went from express to my apprenticeship to now a full-time technician doing diags and general repairs on all vehicles, making models.
Gotcha. What's one of your biggest accomplishments since you started here?
So I would say my biggest accomplishment is being able to successfully diagnose and replace a transmission in about 2 days.
Gotcha.
From start to finish.
Gotcha. Last question. What is it like coming to work here with your dad every day?
My dad, it's amazing. I have a great pleasure working with my father, and the best part would say is, if I'm broke, I can have him buy me food. I'll constantly harass him to get me food or gas money.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Alrighty, well, Derek, pleasure meeting you, man.
Yeah, you too. Thank you very much.
Look forward to working with you.
Yep.
Today I'm here with one of our service technicians, Riley. Riley, what's one of your most exciting parts about your job?
I'd have to say just learning new things, working on stuff I've never worked on before.
Gotcha.
That's mainly it.
Yeah. If you had to give a piece of advice to somebody that's just starting their career with our service center, what advice would you give them?
Listen to your master tech. Don't just brush it off. Really just pay attention.
Gotcha. Yeah. We wish you the best of luck over there. We look forward to working with you.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like. We would appreciate it. But most importantly, if you're interested in starting your career, tough freaking day, apply at tristatenissan.com or on Indeed. We would love to have you here at Tri-State Nissan. This has been Wilson, out.